Oppo is introducing its new smartphone, Oppo K12s. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. It has a 7000 mAh big battery with 80 watt fast supporting. Now take a look at specifications. It will get power from one of the fastest Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. Additionally, you will get an octa-core CPU in order to boost up the performance. And for best graphic results, there will be a GPU of Adreno. There will be an OLED touchscreen display and 6.67 inches display screen size. The display would likely be a vibrant and sharp panel, potentially with a high refresh rate for smoother scrolling and visuals. RAM will be 8 and 12 GB with 256 and 512 GB of storage. There will be a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel helper and a 16 megapixel camera on the front. That's all for now and thanks for watching.